Hello, today I want to share an old story from an unknown author that I recently came across again. You may have heard it before, but the moral of the story is so powerful and I think we all need a reminder every once in a while. It's a story of two shoe salesmen. At the beginning of the 20th century, an English shoe manufacturer, concerned about the decline in its sales in England, decided to try to open new markets abroad. The director called two of its salesmen and proposed they travel to Africa to explore potential markets and increase sales. Both salesmen left by boat for Africa with instructions to conduct an initial market survey. Each of them would go to a different part of the country to gather two separate opinions about the potential of the African market. Within days of arriving, the first salesman called the factory owner. "Boss," he said, "everyone here goes barefoot. No one wears shoes. There is no opportunity here." The next day, the second salesman called. He was absolutely excited and eager to speak to his manager. "Boss," he said, "it's fantastic. No one here wears shoes. No one sells shoes. There are endless opportunities here." Can you see the difference? Mindset matters, and the way we see things can make all the difference. Here are 3 self-reflection questions for you. Number 1. What are your most common self-limiting beliefs? Number 2. What triggers negative thoughts and self-doubt in you? Number 3. How can you reframe current challenges as opportunities for growth? If you have moments of doubt or feel stuck, I encourage you to remind yourself that tapping into the right mindset is everything. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.